is
And 2602. Capital, I am a trustee. Full stop. It's a correction.
it is not possible for
Stop, it is not possible.
এগুলো করেছিল
Full stop.
Where?
whether I am a trustee now, where I am a trustee, full stop, it is not possible for me to remember.
Societies, comma, where I am a trustee, full stop.
Right. তারপরে আবার এটাও pending and I in
Heading airport, full stop.
new
it is
sentence.
given.
Those ones are done.
তারপরে এটা একটু মেজর আছে আই হয়ে গেছে আই আর এটা 1991
I have produced a
In
copy.
fact, what the Birlas have done,
have produced and interpolated
They have
they not
কিছু না
have তাহলে I took it out.
indicated.
এটা 1990
And demise is 1990. It has gone down as 80. MP bill are at 90.
But it is 1980 now. ঠিক আছে, agreed.
I'll correct it in the main. ওটা এই দিনে deposition কার দিনে
See, so far as the portion which has taken place before me, there is no difficulty. But
I know.
No, those were all correct.
Those were all
Well,
correct. This
before
is
we
the last
began,
deposition. Some minor corrections.
and Mr.
আমি
Gupta,
করে দেবো।
your client has preferred a review. Where is?
Yes.
Has it been filed?
Yes, man, it's been filed. I was about to say that one. We have filed a review, but we have not prayed for stay. Or
No.
it will come. Man. We'll serve it today. In the due course, it will come in this formal application. Correction করে দেবো। দেখছি অরিজিনালটাই করে দিই ওটা
করেছে বললো তো
হ্যাঁ ওটাকে দেখে দেখে আমি করে দিচ্ছি
Should I? Ready? Mr. Lodha, I'm suggesting to you that the relationship of Priyambada Devi Birla with other members of the Birla family was never strained.
I disagree.
I'm suggesting to you that the relationship of Priyambada Devi Birla with other members of the Birla family remained cordial even after the partition of the Birla Empire.
My lord, ever since I have known Badima and I have worked with Badima, the relationship
I have known Badima.
and I have worked with Badima, the relationship with the other members of the Birla family were strained. And especially when it came to business, she was fiercely defending the MP Birla group, took all action during her lifetime to ensure that the MP Birla group did not disintegrate post
did not
disintegrate and was not grabbed by the other Birla groups post her demise.
Mr. Lodha, I put it to you.
Mr.
Sorry.
Mukherjee, এটা প্রথমে কি কিছু বলেছে এগ্রি বা ডিসএগ্রি?
No, Balani.
So, Mr. Witness, you have to first say, because this part you can volunteer always.
Okay.
But whether you agree or disagree, that you have to say, then it will go as witness volunteer.
Sorry, sir. I disagree.
তারপরে witness volunteers করে।
I disagree.
Mr. Lodha, I put it to you that you did not witness the execution of the will or the codicil being the subject matter of the instant suit.
I disagree. I witnessed the execution of the will of 19th April 1999. So 18th April 1999. I did not witness the execution of the codicil, but I was there when the registration of the will happened on 21st April 1999.
Just to digress, I told Mr. Mitchell I'll finish in 5 minutes. And his response is, it won't happen because witness has spoken for 5 minutes. Go ahead, go ahead. Anything more? I put it to you that you did not witness the attestation of the will or codicil forming the subject matter of the instant proceedings.
I disagree. As I have stated earlier, I was present during the execution of the will.
I put it to you that Priyamvada Devi Birla was under the undue influence of your father and yourself when the alleged will and codicil were alleged to have been executed.
I disagree, my lord. Badima was a very fiercely independent person, which has been recognized not only by my statements, but by the other Birlas also.
My statement.
But by the other Birlas also. And she could not be unduly influenced by anyone.
I put it to you that your deposition to the effect that the deceased was apt in business and in taking business decisions is incorrect.
I disagree, my lord. Badima was on the board of several companies and used to chair the board meetings and led the companies of the MP Birla Group from the mid-80s till her demise. Full stop. I have personally seen her chairing the board meetings and dealing with institutional directors, collaborators, and independent and senior executives of the group regularly.
I put it to you that the deceased was not in sound mind or health at the time of execution of the will or codicil forming the subject matter of the instant suit.
I disagree, my lord. Ever since I have known Badima, until her last illness, which led to her demise, Badima has always been of sound mind and health.
I put it to you that Sri R.S. Lodha played a prominent part in the preparation of the will and codicil forming the subject matter of the instant suit.
I disagree, my lord. Dr. V. Gauri Shankar, senior advocate of the Supreme Court, has already detailed in his SLP filed in the Supreme Court about the circumstances which led to the drafting of the will.
ওটা এসএলপি লিখবে না স্পেশাল লিভ পিটিশন?
Especially, sorry.
Put it to you that the evidence that you've given in these proceedings is inaccurate and false.
I disagree, my lord. I have not stated anything in this proceedings which is
So, Mukherjee,
inaccurate
you will
or
use
false.
what false or
Inaccurate, my lord.
inaccurate and
Which are inaccurate or false.
False টা কেটে দিন, inaccurate.
এটা নেবে না
Answer
answer ও
only.
not.
Not all good things must come to an end.
So where is the other defendants?
সুরজিৎ বলবে হয়তো। Vinita is on, Miss Nerea is on line, my lord. She can.
My lord, I am appearing for one of the defendants. We do not wish to cross-examine.
Which defendant?
My lord, I am appearing for 3A, my lord.
3A.
Yes.
3A, my lord.
It's the first time.
You are leading Mrs. Suchishmita Ghosh or
No,
Sheila?
my lord. I am appearing, I am being led by Mr. Ratnamko Banerjee, my lord, for 3A. Shuchishmita Ghosh probably is appearing for 1D, my lord.
Yes, who is
With-
appearing for 1B?
1D,
My lord, I am appearing for 1D, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, as far as I am aware, my lord, we do not wish to make any further cross-examination in the matter.
Cross-examination of the plaintiff first witness
cross examination
by
declined.
first witness by defendant by defendants number 1, B and C is concluded. The defendants number 1D and 3A who are represented in the proceedings do not wish to cross-examine the plaintiff's first witness. The evidence of the plaintiff's first witness is, therefore, closed.
At this stage, Mara, there is a order that he can come back after to prove the will if necessary.
At this stage.
At this stage. Re-examination. No. Record.
Yes, Mr. Mitro.
Yes, Milord.
Next, your witness.
Now I have to call Milord. In view of the suggestion put regarding the soundness of mind and health, perhaps I will call a doctor first who has to look after him. A doctor not under control. Doctor has seen the evidence. Dr. Sorabji was looking after that. Son of Soli Sorabji.
No, in course of
take time to
in course
Mr.
of
Sabina to
in course of evidence, I came to hear about many doctors.
many talk, but he was in more ahead. Other documents are English, that was very expensive. That was
When shall I keep it? Tell
when
me.
can we keep it? Not maybe ascertain the date from Dr. Dr. Sorabji and mention the matter to your lordship on a
একটা
এই after May, after April শেষে April শেষে তুমি আছো তো? মানে তোমার কি কোথাও নেই বলতে নাকি?
I mean, first week of May. First month after the election.
9 থেকে তো রবীন্দ্রনাথের জন্মদিন তো না?
ওরা শনিবার করেছে, ওরা বাবারও জন্মদিন।
কি?
8th is a Friday.
তাই নাকি? 9th May?
25
After it, then it will spill over
8
to
May,
me.
25 বৈশাখ।
Because it will be just before the vacation. I don't want to keep it.
We will fix the date because the doctor will have to come from.
You fix it then in the first week of June after the court reopens.
But your lordship keeps it for fixing so that at everyone's convenience they can fix the date.
You come and
On the
mention.
9th.
You come and mention.
But they'll say that we're delaying the suit.
না না স্যার বলেনি যেটা কেন বলেছে একবার বলেছি
এরা
কি?
বলবে না।
Not only thing, my lord, your
Let it be a
lordship
date
might have to examine, my lord, whether by reason of the orders passed, my lord, the next witness should be the attesting witness. They can call, my lord, the doctor later. The orders, my lord, which have been passed, my lord, would suggest
Order
that
হয়েছে
after,
কিছু?
yes,
11th এ থাক না তখন
11
my lord, we can, my lord, show that order also,
তাই নাকি? অর্ডার হয়েছে নাকি?
that the next witness, my lord,
রাখুন না
we can argue that later, my lord.
এটা হ্যাঁ না 9
9th না 11th
সেদিনই এক করে দাও না আপনি আসতে বলো না
11th
মানে এটা after concerning we mention the matter for notice to them and it can be fixed earlier also.
একটা line record করো.
It can be fixed
On
earlier
behalf of
also.
the plaintiff, it is submitted that they have at least one more witness who one more witness the matter will be mentioned for fixing a date
Yes.
after ascertaining the availability of
Good.
such.
No, obliged. We shall give notice and we talk to them and join the
My lord, I'll place
Talk
the
to
order then, my lord. That, my lord, before, my lord, that witness, the attesting
সেদিন
witness
বলো
should
না সেদিন বলো আজকে লাভ কি?
kindly provide for that, otherwise, my lord, we said nothing.
ওরা চায়
We'll argue that, my lord.
ওরা চায় attesting witness on the record so we'll argue it.
No, no, I have not said
আজকে তো বলছি।
I want something. I'm saying the court order says something.
আচ্ছা,
Okay,
এতে,
please. Don't put words into my mouth.
11th May,
Whatever
witness,
it
yes.
কি হলো?
ওইখানে
মেনশন করবে নোটিশ দিয়ে করো না সেদিন যা করে হয়ে যাবে।
ঠিক আছে, ওটা
আর্গুমেন্ট করবে না কেন? নিশ্চয়ই করবে ওরা।
Defendant number 1 BNC, however, submits that
কি বিক্রি করে বলি?
the next witness should be the attesting witness
তুমি কবে আসতে বলো সেদিন আমাকে মেনশন অ্যাপিয়ার করিয়ে দিই। এই
11th, 11th.
as per
11 to mention in
as per the previous orders of this court, which is however disputed by the plaintiff.
Okay, previous order.
না dispute করছি না
The
বলেছি
previous,
that's a
I don't think it says previous order. Let they keep it on 9th or some date. We shall make our submission on that date.
Come and mention. I have.
But kindly keep it on the 11th, my lord. We'll get
11th.
this out of it.
11
May,
then Milord.
subject to your lordship. We are, my lord, agreed.
11th.
May, my lord.
May.
On this issue, after that, your lordship.
Come on, 8th May.
Eighth is in some difficulty, Mr. Mukherjee.
No, I may not be there, my lord. That's
11 May,
That's
we have
why-
no objection, my lord. We have no objection.
or 12th, my lord, if it go. My lord, 11th is a Monday, my lord. So kindly keep it 12th, my lord, if it commends.
Then you come. See, I do not know because the tenure of the circuits have changed due
I
to the
see.
election.
My lord, could it be 7th then?
7th is
Yes,
a-
kindly
7
keep
May.
it.
And all the submissions don't record it today. On that day, he will make
হ্যাঁ।
his submissions. আজকে তো 5 মিনিটে বেশি হয়ে গেল।
ইয়েতে let this matter appear. ওইগুলো কেটে দাও, let this matter appear. ওই cross examine হলো, let this matter
আজকে
appear
record
on
করছে না বলছে।
7th May
হ্যাঁ, করছে, কেটে
করছে,
দিয়েছে, কেটে
করেছে?
দিয়েছে,
আশা
কেটে
করি
দিয়েছে।
2026.
তুমি বললো যে তুমি আর্গুমেন্ট
My lord, your lordship deleting everything, my lord, and keeping it on the 7th.
Delete.
Yes,
Yes.
after conclusion.
হ্যাঁ উইল গিভ দ্য নোট 7 আসবে না করে কখন দুটোর সময় না দুটোটা ঠিক করে নাও। দুটো
আচ্ছা 7th to ascertain to
10:30 করে
To ascertain the, my lord, order of witness.
2 p.m. or no 2 p.m. or 10:30
7th May for fixing a date for further witness action
Oblige.
for the next week. Yes, sir.
as paid for by the
2
party.
p.m. না 10:30 ওবলেট এট মনে করি পরে কোন আমাকে আজ প্লেন রোড হ্যাঁ কি
Accommodate করে।
হ্যাঁ, ওটা ইয়ে করে দাও ওই আমাদের যেদিনকে জাজমেন্টটা হলো ওই দিনকে তুমি ওই ইয়েতে নিয়ে নেবে ওই কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার যেটা ছিল তারপরে হয়েছে। হ্যাঁ 12 তারিখ হ্যাঁ। তাহলে আজকে ওই ডেটে দিয়ে দাও in view of the judgment reported in view of the judgment delivered on such and such date the ওই এফিডেভিট যেটা ওটা হচ্ছে হ্যাঁ judgment delivered on 6 March 2025 26 in the suit judgment delivered here judgment delivered on 6 March the এফিডেভিট ওটা কোন কোয়েশ্চেনে হয়েছিল বলো তো? কিন্তু আগে মনে করাবে ওদের ওরা চলে গেল তারপরে ওদের তখন মুশকিল হবে না। ওটা ওই এই যে হ্যাঁ affidavit shown to the PW1 in question number 2572 is tendered and marked as exhibit blank with 14 with objection. ঠিক আছে? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ Ah. And in this,